What's up guys, CC here. Welcome or welcome back to the channel. Hey, I'm on the road. It's Saturday, March something. Is it the 4th or the 5th? But we're going to do some light shopping, and then I want to go to Little Caesars to get some stuff from there because I haven't tried Little Caesars, believe it or not, as yet. Never had Little Caesars. Okay, they didn't have it in Freeport where I was living for the past couple of years, but recently moved to Nassau and basically everything in Nassau. So say let me try Little Caesars for the first time and see how I feel about it. Because prices seem so cheap, so inexpensive, so that could either be a good thing or a bad thing, but let's see. Okay, we got pizza, half pepperoni and green pepper, and then half mushroom and green pepper. Try that. We got some wings. Well, this is barbecue. What kind of wings? Buffalo, right? Buffalo wings, I think. And then we have some garlic bread. They call it crazy bread. So it looks. So let's try them. Okay guys, so I'm trying Little Caesar pizza for the first time. I show you guys what I have: pizza, wings, and some crazy bread. I'm going in with the pizza first. I'm getting the mushroom and green pepper. Okay, my first impression is it look white, like the dough, everything just look white, like unbaked or not properly baked. It's tasty. It tastes good, guys. It's not saucy, like overly saucy like Pizza Hut. Yeah, it tastes good. I like mushrooms, I like green pepper. I wonder if they have pineapple. I didn't know. Okay, the pizza ain't bad. It's not bad at all. Let me taste the wings. We have some buffalo wings. Oh, I see what you're saying. Yeah, the first thing I taste is like seasoning. The black pepper, like a lot of black pepper on it. Yeah, it's high seasoning but not necessarily salty. A lot of black pepper. I like that it's juicy. The wings ain't tough, you know, it's not hard, it's nice and juicy. Yeah, the wings ain't bad. As I said, it's nice and juicy, cooked properly. Only the seasoning, I would do less black pepper. It's like the black pepper is overpowering everything. You know, some places don't. Some places the wing seems like it's not cooked properly. Like the wings is hard. Like no, it's very tender. Oh, I need some water. A lot of seasoning. And it's like seasoning after you cook it. You know when you cook something and then you add seasoning to it? That's what it tastes like. Like the season isn't cooked in. I need some water after that. Okay, now I'm going to taste the crazy bread. I think it's the same as like garlic sticks, just a different name. And then my first initial thought again with the bread is it's white. Like I was hoping to see more color, like, but let's taste it. This is the sauce that they give you with it. Much better. Okay. Let's taste it. This is the garlic on it. This is garlic bread. Tastes good. It's cooked. It looked like it needs to bake more, but it's cooked. It's cooked. If you guys been here for a while, you guys know that I like bread. I'm a bread person. I'm obsessed with bread. So it's good. This is good. Only thing I would change is I would like to taste more garlic. Like I don't taste garlic. Yeah, more garlic, more cheese. But the dough itself, the bread itself is good. I eating the whole bread. Let me stop. Okay, so my overall rating is 7 out of 10. 7 out of 10. I would go for the pizza, then the bread, and then the wings. First of all, Little Caesar is very inexpensive, very reasonable. So for the money, everything tastes good. It tastes good. Like I would buy it again, definitely. But the pizza is good, the bread is good, and then the chicken is okay. Maybe I could try another flavor and see. But yeah, as I said, the black pepper is overpowering everything. Like I don't know, but the bread is good. Like it's not dry, it's very moist, and bread is good. And it's the same bread with the pizza, so pizza good. Marco's Pizza, Domino's Pizza, Little Caesars, and then Pizza Hut. So yeah, in that order.